Welcome to Auto Experience, your go-to destination for the latest in automotive innovation, luxury, and performance. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most talked about luxury sedans emerging on the global stage, the 2026 Aurus Senat, a vehicle that merges opulence with raw power and engineering precision. The Aurus Senat is quickly building a reputation as Russia's ultimate response to the likes of Rolls-Royce and Bentley. In this video, we'll be reviewing the 2026 model in detail, exploring its specs, performance features, and what makes it a standout contender in the high-end luxury segment. Let's begin with the design. The 2026 Aurus Senat retains its imposing and stately presence, with subtle updates that enhance its already bold exterior. It's not just about size, although the Senat is notably long and wide, commanding respect on any road. The front fascia features a prominent chrome grille flanked by sharp, futuristic LED headlights that offer both an elegant aesthetic and advanced functionality. The clean, sculpted body lines run smoothly along the sides, giving the car a refined yet powerful silhouette. Massive multi-spoke alloy wheels and chrome accents emphasize its premium identity, while a revised rear end integrates new LED taillights and twin exhausts for a sporty touch. Under the hood, the 2026 Senat packs serious performance. It comes equipped with a 4.4-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine co-developed with Russian engineers and international partners. This engine is paired with a hybrid electric motor, pushing out an estimated combined output of over 600 horsepower. The acceleration is smooth and responsive, with a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of around 5 seconds. Which is impressive for a vehicle of its size and weight. The powertrain is mated to a 9-speed automatic transmission that offers seamless gear shifts and optimized fuel efficiency. All-wheel drive comes standard, ensuring stable and confident handling in all driving conditions, whether you're gliding through the city or cruising on open highways. Step inside, and the 2026 Aurus Senat is a masterclass in craftsmanship and luxury. The cabin is nothing short of a mobile palace. Premium leather upholstery, real wood trims, and brushed metal accents create a space that feels both modern and timeless. The attention to detail is remarkably, from the stitching on the seats to the tactile feel of the controls. Comfort is paramount, with ventilated and massaging seats for both front and rear passengers, along with extensive legroom and personalized climate control settings. The rear seating area, in particular, rivals private jets, offering executive-style seating, retractable tables, and even a refrigerator. Technology plays a major role in the 2026 Aurus Senat's appeal. A fully digital instrument cluster is complemented by a massive touchscreen infotainment system equipped with the latest software, voice recognition, and smartphone integration. Rear passengers also benefit from dual entertainment screens and individual control panels. High-end audio is delivered by a custom-tuned premium sound system that creates a rich and immersive experience throughout the cabin. Advanced driver assistance features are abundant, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, 360-degree cameras, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking. These features not only enhance safety but also elevate the overall driving experience by making it more effortless and intuitive. One of the unique aspects of the Senat is its build philosophy. Unlike many luxury sedans that focus heavily on brand legacy or badge prestige, the Aurus Senat is built with a blend of Russian strength and global innovation. It's designed to be both a symbol of national pride and a globally competitive luxury sedan. The armored version of the Senat is already in use by top Russian officials, and while the civilian version doesn't come armored by default, its build quality and safety measures are among the best in class. The 2026 model introduces a few thoughtful upgrades that go beyond aesthetics or power. It now features improved battery support for the hybrid system, enhancing both performance and efficiency. Ride quality has also been refined with a new adaptive suspension system that automatically adjusts to road conditions, ensuring a buttery smooth ride regardless of terrain. Fuel economy is improved slightly over the previous model, thanks to powertrain optimizations and aerodynamic tweaks. While the Aurus Senat may still be relatively unknown all in Western markets, it's steadily gaining recognition among those who value exclusivity, luxury, and a different kind of status. It's not just about owning a car, it's about owning a statement to a bold, elegant machine that refuses to follow the norms. Whether you're sitting behind the wheel or being chauffeured in the back, the Senat offers an experience that rivals the world's most prestigious sedans. In summary, the 2026 Aurus Senat is a vehicle that deserves attention. From its commanding exterior and ultra-luxurious interior to its impressive hybrid V8 powertrain and modern technology, it delivers on every front. It might not have the global branding power of Rolls-Royce or Mercedes just yet, but it's well on its way to becoming a major player in the luxury automotive world. If you enjoyed this deep dive and want to see more reviews, comparisons, and car tech breakdowns, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. This is Auto Experience, where driving passion meets cutting-edge reviews. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.